Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure you're not connected to any VPN. For that, what you have to do is open Settings, click on Network and Internet, click on VPN. Now make sure you're not connected to any VPN. Once you've made sure, you can check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, you can try the opposite of that, which is try connecting to a VPN connection. So I will simply open my VPN and connect to any country. Once connected, check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is try turning off your Wi-Fi connection and try turning on back again. Again, I want to tell you that you can do this process on any device, whether you're using iPhone, your Android, or your laptop, PC, anything. So you can turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on back again, or you can also try turning on the airplane mode and turning it off once again, and after that you have to check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is try signing out from all the accounts where your Netflix account is signed in. Once you're signed out from all of the accounts, or you can try changing the password so all of the accounts or the devices will automatically disconnected or signed out automatically after you change the password. Now try signing in back again and check if the problem is fixed or not, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's simply how you can fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.